If you're feeling stressed out and overwhelmed, let's talk about the art of relaxation. It's more than just chilling on the couch. It's a skill that calms your body and mind by activating your body's natural rest and digest response. So, why does it matter? Practicing relaxation can lower stress hormones, improve your focus, boost your immune system, and help you sleep like a baby. Ready to try it? Here are some simple techniques. Start with deep belly breathing. Inhale slowly for 5 counts. Hold, then exhale for 5 counts. You can also try progressive muscle relaxation, where you tense and then release different muscle groups from your toes to your head. Or try a guided visualization. Just close your eyes and picture a peaceful beach or a quiet forest. Even 5 minutes a day can make a huge difference. Find a quiet space, maybe play some soft music, and just breathe. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more wellness tips.